Okay, tell us about the Twitter account. Yetambulanga mwevumagane ne Pretty Nicole.
Banange Twitter account eli ku Twitter si yange era sigimanyiiko wadde n'akatono, eli verified, but me personally I've never owned a Twitter account. Era eyo Twitter account sigimanyiiko. Nsaba bambi mwenna abali eyo, anybody who can help munyambe nsobole okureportinga Twitter eno bagijeyo kubanga ebintu bye postinga they are not really responsible and si bya buntu, si bya kitiibwa, ate nga nze omuntu biba biyonoona erinnya lyange ng'omwana. So nsaba munyambeko na reportinzeko ku police era kyemaanyi naye egenda kunyambako. Omuntu yenna agirina agijeyo kubanga si kirungi kyakola. Naye era nali najulirako emabegakaawo before it was verified, you know, nga baga Patricia no postinga kino oba kino eno. Nengezaako because natuukako mu situation ngamba I need to know who is this person using my Twitter. Kubanga omuntu alina Twitter eyo akozesa account eyo kusaba abantu sente kuba kuliko ennamba y'essimu. Kyempostinga kyapostinga. Kyenteka ku status kyali
omukazi yapikinga musajja
tebasobola kunkwata. Olumu mukazi olumu musajja, kati olumu embozi zaateekawo ng'anyumya n'abantu n'abaako n'omuwala gwakuwa Patricia siri naye mbu kati bino ebiti. So bannange bambi nsaba munyambe musaasire.
Ye Pretty Nicole nga ye omuntu omuyinako embeera yonna oba
yaki, like I said Twitter si yange, so that means byonna ebikolebwa sinza abikola.
Okay, talking about Patricia, obudde bw'okusoma butuuse, you're supposed to go back to the USA for studies. What's not happening?
Right now, my semester starts in August. So I'll go back in the US 30 days before school. So yeah, which to actually because cutting the holiday.
Course you're gonna so.
Yena kola journalism, media and mass communication.
Yaga muli mukolererwa amawulire bw'ebisibo eno.
No, wonna. Chaga mukuboluseke. Muri baka. So no, I want this to be worldwide. Like I have a big view about it. The reason why Chinayagala kola course is because I was inspired and bintu bingi byenda byenjagala okwogerako ng'omwana oba ng'omuntu. There are certain news I want to bring out. Sagala only to base on our entertainment, to base on the celebrities. I want it to be kasavu kanyama ku entertainment tubeyo. I want to host big shows. I want to present. I want to bring out the best of me.
Okay. Yeah. Mu by'okuzina tetulaba tekyaliyo nnyo wabivaamu engeri gy'oli big girl cut.
Okuzina nzinira ddala ndi muka naye gamazina ngazina. Yeah, naye like in the ghetto kids era nga wogiraba nti it's a foundation eva ebeereta new regime bana bangi abali mu ghetto eyo abalina talent. Singa nkyazinira ku eyo stage yemu n'abo abaana wandibadde tobalaba, wandibadde olabani Patricia yekka. So it's their time to shine era nga Patricia oba all the kids abalaba kuza abali mu ghetto kids, we are always backstage to support them. Katukole kino katukole kineno kati kikola ki kyekitambula tuyinza kola kaki. Yeah.
Atuveko ku ebyo natuddeko ku Patricia as a person. Ali alone waliwo video ezatambula zaani yazita era byali musimiyo byali musimiyo Victor.
Video ezo saagala zoogerako and I don't want to talk about that right now.
Why?
Yeah. Just saga chogerako. Yes, but still I don't want to talk about it. Kubanga chaita, and now I'm being the better of me, and yeah, we have to work echidako. Yeah.
But are you okay now?
Yes, I'm very fine.
You guys talk.
I don't want to talk. I don't want to go there. Why? Why should I talk about it? Okay. But still, I don't want to talk about it. Just in sabab sabi, sigendayo. Because now I'm okay and I feel better. Yeah.
Now, when you talk about this, were you traumatized like the way Kush was traumatized? That's what we are talking about.
Banang, I really don't want to talk about how I felt. Because never chogerako, never start chogerako. You won't understand.
You shall.
No, you won't. You won't. Omuntu ali mu age bracket nange ayinza okubeeramu eyo situation. Just changing that, I will just talk about it in this way. If you happen to be in such a situation, a girl like me, don't put yourself down. Stand up. The pain is there. You can't run away from it. Wanga bintu bingi ebijja nga tetubyetegekedde oba nga tobisuubira kubaawo. Naye nga gwe omuntu, let the people who see the value in you take the value in you, and let the people who see the loser in you take the winner in you. Just stand out. Kaba kakodyo. Yimirira ng'omuntu. Keep working. Keep going. Never let anybody or anything put you down. Yeah.
Are you dating?
I think that's a bit private. Wembanga njagadde okireta mawulire oba to show it, definitely obojja kiraba. Naye wemba sikirese mawulire oba okukyogerako, that means kiba kya munda, kiba kyange. Yeah.
Waba kyafulumanga, you guys were dating with Sibi, your fellow comedian?
Oh, me and Sibi. No, we do. Temunyumira content waffe. Mwagala. And thank you for supporting us and loving us. Mwebale kutuwagira content video tugenda kola, tugenda buleeta, buyitirivu bukyajja. And thank you for loving us still. And thank you for supporting us. Mwebale kutunyumira. Thank you for making us realize what we can do better. Yeah.
Mbona ogenda US bigenda beera bityo ogenda sigala tuzanyireyo comedy?
Njagezaako kuba njagala nnyo. I love acting, like I've been talking about it for a very long time. I love acting. It brings out another person of me. Yeah.
Okay, your last message to the fans.
My last message to the fans, to the people out there watching me, and to everybody who has supported me since day one. Thank you for believing in me. Thank you for standing out with me in all kind of situations. Thank you for making me a stronger girl. You've always helped me go through all kind of situations I've been through in life. Life is not perfect, and it can never be perfect. Because mubulamu fena fena tetuli batuki. We are not saints. And besides that, we face challenges in life. So, nganze wemu making us strong. I pray and ask you to also be strong. The other thing I told you, ngenda chidam, in life, let the people who see the value in you take the value in you, and let the people who see the loser in you see the winner in you. Baweche batasuubira in life. N'ekirala bambi mbasaba munyambeko, mbeegayiridde bantu bange mwena abantu mwena abali eyo abalina obuvunaanyizibwa oba balina idea on this street, how I can stop it. Saba munyambe nsobole ogireportinga eveewo kuba ebintu byepostinga amazima si byavunaanyizibwa ate si bya mu buntu. Maybe to some people, but to the image, for me, the way I've been up to right now, ngezezaako banange. I've tried to be the best version of me. Like I said, I'm not perfect. Naye nsaba munyambe sobola ogiteeka wansi na lopyeko ku police, and I think they will also help me. Mbaagala nnyo era nsaba Mukama abankuumire ekiseera kyonna. Yeah.